We'll see how to do artwork with by using normal straw. Okay, we call it as blow straw artwork. So first you need to make sure which type of image you are going to do. We'll see a flower which is having different colors, and we'll try to make it the artwork with blow straw as well. Colors I'm using watercolors. These are the watercolors I'm using. We call it as watercolor cakes. And if you want to use watercolor tubes, you can use. So these are watercolor tubes. So watercolor ratio will be the same, both of you, both. Okay. So now first you need to decide which color you are going to start with. So I want to start with color lemon yellow. So first I'll add water, excess of color I'll remove with the brush, and I'll take pigment, more pigment color, and then I'll add color mixing plate. So this is the color I'm going to take. Now I'll decide where I need this. So I'll add here. So use water. So I'm using paper, normal paper, I'm using smooth paper. So if you use rough surface paper, this color won't flow when you blow with straw. Okay. So now keep the color little bit aside. Before it gets dry, you just take blow the straw and blow it. So little bit lines has come. So I need little more color here. So I'll draw little more color. So I am not going to touch or put pressure on the paper. Very lightly I am going to drop the color. The yellow color, I got the strings, okay, which I was thinking in my mind, okay. Now I'll clean the brush. I'll take one more color, which is Gumbad's hue. Little bit of Gumbad's hue I'll take, okay. I'll directly add it to the surface, but I'll add like this time. So it need to be in flowing consistency. Then only color will move in the desired direction. In which direction we are blowing, we need to do. Okay. Now I'll take little more yellow family color. That is Indian yellow I'm going to take now. So I want it look little bit lightning color. So I'll be taking Indian yellow, and I'll add here. Let's see. Very little, but in a flowing consistency. Side, the side. Wherever the color lighting you need, there and all, you just apply the color. So like this we got. Now what I'll do, I'll take one more color. So all colors are looking in differently. So I'll take red family colors. So I'll start with red, scarlet red. So excess water, whatever the excess water is there, I'll remove it. I'll drop little color here and there, which I already said it needs some flowing consistency. I'll add water here so that it will flow. And when I blow with the straw, the lines will follow. Okay, so I am following the same position like from right side by using the straw and blowing it. Now from downwards, like from here, I'll change the position with scarlet red and I'll try to blow it upward direction. Yes. Okay, and I'll use now crimson color or it look like pink color. Crimson I'll take. Crimson also a red family color only, but it gives more like pink, pinkish uh, lines. Okay. Okay. So like this. Now I'll do one thing where I'll make some marking like this so that whatever the flower I'm thinking, the shape it has to follow like this. Okay. So in this, at this stage, I'll use little more pinkish color. So where I'll drop, here I'll drop again. Any little more pink color variance. So from the sideways, I'll be blowing. Okay. So we have blown. Now I'll clean my brush. So I'll take emerald green and I'll make like this. For the flower, there will be some bottom surface, right? So I'll draw green here. So I'm telling that color should move like that only. Like this. And again I'll drop little bit. Okay. So let it dry. It will take time to dry. Now I'll draw one line, stem line with the green color like this. And also I'll use little bit darker color and I'll make here little bit dark to show it like this. So like this you can make blow straw artwork. If you like to do different patterns, you can easily use. If you want to give some detailings, this is the rough blow straw. So if you want to add any detailings, you can add like this with the existing color only before it get dry. You can give some line structures with the brush. Not too much. I don't want too much of line structures and all. So I'll make it like this. So this is about blow straw painting. Try it in your own way with different colors, with different patterns, and enjoy the process.